last year ngoDecember nabe nesixaba no uzaphinanseleni ngokulo nyaka ngoDecember. But I got stuck at Dimbaza.
Lando silent struggles I swear zichomi zami ezingikhuphayo hence ngithi andigowi. I just happen to drink.
Jinsikuyo. Umuntu uthi wogo waqala ngintsango. Asuke kongukwintsango. Aqhuma ayisali wo like kick bendinayo. Afuna utsibela ngapha yangaphezulu.
Lando yethu nika ukuthi.
Asondimnike. Asondimnike mina. You had a chance.
No, we are fit. Yeah.
And one thing I can tell you about DJ Basa, I want to they mix playlist yabo. There's old school R&B because
I feel like Uhlomla forgets to mention there's also an instance where the person in question went to Ikhaya Hlomla to pay a ransom. How do you pay a ransom ungekho guilty?
Dilibele.